In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic hybridization. As you all know, we are seeing the chapter chemical bonding. In this, we have completed the types of bonds, dipole moment. Now we are going to see the hybridization. What is the definition of hybridization and what are the types of hybridization we are going to see in this video. Let us start with the definition of hybridization. Hybridization is the intermixing of atomic orbital of almost equal energy and their redistribution into equal number of hybrid orbitals. This is known as hybridization. Hybridization is a process in which the atomic orbitals are mixed together and they are redistributed in order to produce the hybrid orbitals. Remember, in hybridization, the number of atomic orbitals which are taking part in the hybridization will be equal to the number of hybrid orbitals formed. Always atomic orbitals and the hybrid orbitals formed are equal in number. One more important thing related to hybridization is hybridization occurs in the orbitals with almost equal energy. The orbitals with a large difference in their energy values cannot take part in the hybridization. Orbitals of almost equal energy will only take part in the hybridization. The hybrid orbitals which are formed during the hybridization will have all the characters of the orbitals which take part in the hybridization process. See here, if one s orbitals combines with one p orbital, we are going to get two sp hybrid orbitals. Here each sp hybrid orbital will have the characters of s orbital as well as p orbital. If you see here, one s orbital is combining with one p orbital results in the formation of two sp hybrid orbitals. Here the number of atomic orbitals which take part in the hybridization will be equal to the number of hybrid orbitals formed. Here two atomic orbitals took part in the hybridization, so we are going to get two hybrid orbitals. Here we have prepared a table of form so that it will be easy for you to understanding the different types of hybridizations. In general, we have many types of hybridization, but here we are going to discuss only 5 types of hybridization, that is from sp to sp3d2. Here on the board we have prepared a table of form. This table of form we have 5 different types of columns in which the first column includes the type of hybridization. The second column includes the orbitals combined or else the orbitals which are taking part in hybridization. The third box include the number of hybrid orbitals formed. The fourth column includes the percentage of a character, S character, P character and D character and their percentages. The fifth column includes the examples related to the hybridizations. Remember, in sp hybridization, one s orbital combines with one p orbital results in the formation of two sp hybrid orbitals. Remember, one s and one p are combining, so we are getting two sp hybrid orbitals. Here the percentage of s character is 50%, percentage of p character is 50%. If we are going to see the examples for sp hybridization, BeCl2 and C2H2 are the examples for sp hybridization. Second one, sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, remember one s orbital combines with two p orbital. The number of sp2 hybrid orbitals formed during sp2 hybridization is 3. The percentage of s character in sp2 hybridization is 33%, whereas p character is 66.6%. The examples for sp2 hybridization are BF3 and C2H4 or else ethylene. The third one is sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, one s orbital combines with 3 p orbital results in the formation of 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Here the percentage of s character in sp3 hybridization is 25%, whereas the percentage of p character is 75%. We have many types of example under sp3 hybridization, that is methane, ammonia, water and ethane. All the saturated alkanes will have sp3 hybridization in their carbon atom. The next one is sp3d. In sp3d hybridization, one s orbital combines with 3 p orbital and 1 d orbital results in the formation of 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. Here the percentage of characters of s orbital is 20%, p orbital is 60% and d orbital is 20%. Remember, each hybrid orbital will have this much percentage of character in it. Examples for sp3d hybridization is PCl5 and PF5. The last one which we are going to see is sp3d2 hybridization. In sp3d2 hybridization, one s orbital combines with 3 p orbitals and 2 d orbitals. The total number of hybrid orbitals formed during sp3d2 hybridization are 6. We are going to get 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. Each sp3d2 hybrid orbital will have 16.6% of s character, 50% of p character, whereas 33.3% of d character. Remember, the example for sp3d2 hybridization is SF6. Always the hybrid orbitals will take part in sigma bond formation. None of the hybrid orbital will take part in pi bond formation. And one more important thing related to hybridization is hybrid orbital can also have the lone pair of electrons. If we summarize all this, remember, hybridization is a simple thing. In hybridization, the atomic orbitals will combine to form hybrid orbitals. The number of atomic orbitals taken part in the hybridization will be equal to the number of hybrid orbitals formed. Remember, each hybrid orbital will have equal percentage of characters of all the atomic orbitals. We are going to see each and every example related to hybridization in the next coming videos.